Macho, jersey number 12, the Mighty Mouse. Jersey number 72, Palaciosa. And jersey number 18, Big Boy, the Cruz. It's skate time! First ball, nasa Casemiro South, kita ni Alex Malyari. Yata ni Masunan. Easy 2 points, pero Masunan. Okay na, ni Doa, nakita commercial player ni Doa, no? Si Totoy Golem. Nakuhaan, nakuha ni balik ni
About 15 seconds.
Sergio! Nothing but look, galing-galing, skill-kilip eh. Nothing but net by the Admiral. Patay. Masulman, jersey number 68, ibalik sa Agi.
Shot clock 14 seconds.
0-0, no good. Rebound by Patay na. Oh, commercial player. Oh, halad move by the commercial player. Totoy Golem, jersey number 11. Grabe, Masulman. Di tanaw yung mga kauban, di dribble, pero foul! Who's foul back? Jersey number 11.
Jersey number 11.
Illegal using of the hands.
First personal foul. First team foul.
Chad to Alex Malyari, ni Daro. Agay na Luoy, Hail Mary shot. The Mighty Mouse, may tangan ng bola. Mighty Mouse, gihatag ni Sergio. Okay. Patay dara, gihatag ni Big Boy.
8 seconds.
Gihatag sa nananaw. Sabi ako kusog gada Big Boy. Masulman, nihatag ni Emecher, ang pinaka-dili mo aya, lapas. Dara ay, oh no, saba. Cons Boris, naana po niya ang dribble nga dagang kay nangawani. Ah, grabe, hoy. Mighty Mouse, gipas, ayay, may nahuli. Jersey number 7.
First personal foul. First team foul. Nasa Mirasal. Shot clock 18 seconds.
Agay, ili sa bola. Okay, ayay, wala na. Doctor Strange to Mighty Mouse. Cons Boris,
Shot clock 15
gihatag ni
seconds.
commercial player. Nothing but nothing. Daray, ikuha eh. Masulman, nilahos. Gihatag, ayay, nakuhaan, awa na. See you later. Easy 2 points by Coach Boris. Fisher, gihatag ni Masulman. To Fisher, di 8-3. Ikaduha na. Rebound by the Admiral Sergio. Gihatag ni commercial player. Palang, Mitch Andulo. Rubio, Big Boy, ni Fake, ni balik sa Agi. Rubio, dip-dip po ng lawas mo. Rubio. Oswald Rep, jersey number 0. Illegal blocking.
Labrado, first personal foul. Second team foul. Nasa Mirasal. Shot clock 15 seconds.
Big Boy to Cons Boris. Ni 8-3. Sobra. Fisher, ayay, ikatulo na na akong itsa. Ayay, mana. Sabi balik na ano. What a move by the running man, Derek Fisher.
Derek Fisher.
Daray, Dr. Strange Camacho. Tubis
Shot clock
Andrew.
14 seconds.
Ihatag ni Cons Boris. Ayay, gakinukmuray. Agay, no, the Fisher. Wala, Masulman. Ayay, may nakitang foul. Foul rep.
Foul on jersey number 11.
11. Mitch Andrew, a.k.a.
Second personal foul.
Totoy Golem. Uy, kakanuno na ka? Kuha na niya. Kuha na eh. August 12. Kuha na eh.
Iyo, uy. Expire.
Oh, August 12 po na nga.
Iyo.
First free throw, no good. Anay sinto eh. Pag July pa na.
Iyo.
Second free throw.
Sino, gahapon ba
1
yung
out of 2. Shout out as mga nananaw, no? Dabayo kayo ginananaw karon. Sold out atong ticket. Dr. Strange, gihatag ni Mitch Andrew. So,
Shot clock 15
Boris,
seconds.
too strong. Bula sa Casamira South.
4 minutes and 55 seconds remaining in the first quarter.
Okay, nanggawas ng mga dila. Okay, the Masulman. Nangita ka uban.
4 minutes and 45 seconds.
Patay. The perimeter jumper. Moralde. Kusugadagan Gabi. Alright, Dr. Strange. Ihatag ni Mighty Mouse. To Admiral. Patay. Ihatag balik ni Coach Boris. Ni Fake.
Shot clock 15 seconds.
Ala, patay. No! Ayay nakitaan sa airport security.
Airport security.
Traveling without visa.
Passport di visa.
Tama o yung mga technique ko sa... Ha? Ang score? Sakto ang score. 9. Patay! Alex Manyari! Gabi ay, double team ay. Ala! Akay! Totoy Gulim. Ana. Akay, the Admiral. Oh,
The shot clock 15.
ay, out of bounds by Cons Boris.
3 minutes and 45 seconds remaining.
Okay? The Muscleman, tumural din the perimeter again. Nothing but net. By Dennis.
Time out niya ako, no? Time out.
Terminus Moralde. Time out niya. Nice gang. What an easy hoop shot by Cons Boris. Muscleman. Nangita o kauban.
Shot clock 12
Hatag
seconds.
ni Moralde. Moralde to Alex Magari. Ipasa ni Chana Benum. Terus gabi out.
Timeout. Rice gun.
Rice gun. Cons Boris may tangan na bola.
Simungot ba ang
Cons Boris to Sergio, the Admiral. Nangita o kauban. Pero
Shot clock
ni
15
Itza.
seconds.
Too strong. Rebound by Muscleman. Allah, walk in apart by Derek Fisher. Gabi ako suka dagan
may
eh.
nali?
Mahal kita lang yan. Come here. You see, because the camera is blocking you. Look,
Shot clock
Gabi,
14 seconds.
no! Dr. Strange, gipasahan.
Shot clock 10.
Favorite spot. Dara ito, tumulgulim to.
Shot clock 5 seconds.
Ni Fade. What a shot by Dr. Strange. Grabe ay Masulman eh. Masulman, kikuha ni Chati. Patay ni Luzon.
Shot clock 14.
Yata ni Malyari. By kasama. Foul.
Basket count foul on jersey number 18.
Jersey number 18.
First personal foul, third team foul.
Bonus free throw by Alex Malyari. Rebound by
Running score,
Bigos.
Gis Kinsey.
Cons Boris, may tangan ng bola.
2 minutes remaining time.
Cons Boris. Ayay, dara.
Shot clock 14.
Threes. Bang! 3 points by the Mighty Mouse.
Signature move.
Signature move ko no, ingon si Schroeder. Ayay, karo kayo. Jersey pa ngayon, ano.
Iyo.
Ibig
Shot clock
sabihin,
14.
Mga umila. Mga umila.
perimeter jumper, nothing but net.
Mga umila. Mga on.
Ang mga on, eh, mo na, abiba, gila, para nakikaon. Daray.
Kaman ito. Mga umila
Look,
na.
big boy ni Fake.
Shot clock 12 seconds.
Ihatag ni Coach Boris about for threes. Too strong. Rebound by the triple man. Triple man. To the perimeter. Mr. Perimeter to Derek Fisher. Agay. Pero nakuha ni Masulman.
Shot clock 14 seconds. 1 minute and 5 seconds remaining in the first
Ihatag
quarter.
ni perimeter ni
Shot
Itza.
clock 10.
Nothing but net. Gabang gabi ay gipusil eh. Ito gipusil na to. Gabi ay. Daray. Coach Boris, sikapan ninyo. Gipasa ni the Admiral Sergio. In and out ayay. Kitaan sa airport security.
Foul on jersey number 0. Timeout.
Note. Alex Kabagnot. Sabiha. Uy, puti ko nun. Sa pula.
Mga gani.
Simple possession.
Yan na.
Shot clock 14 seconds.
14 seconds shot clock. Awan na. Camacho. Ipasa
Shot
balik ni
clock.
Pigulim. Pigulim. Look, may crossover. Bang! Nabira. Patay, gipusil na po. Bisa na pag gipusil na. Grabe yung mamusilay man yung mga player rin.
Lagi mga race ganggot.
First foul red.
Jersey number 11.
Jersey number 11. Illegal gakos of the player.
Jersey number 11, third personal foul.
Moralde.
Penalty.
Derek Fraser control! Lapas! Patay mo. Aray, Chadi. Dihatag ni perimeter.
20 seconds remaining.
Grabe ako suga dagan eh. Absent ka na.
15.
Look, grabe yun. Ayaw na lang.
Jeez.
Patay na. Consboris for three. Ay. Pero rebound by
5.
Look, grabe yung direct fisher eh. Masul player pa ba? Na perimeter na po.
Bahala na sa pasaba ka diri.
Second quarter. Jersey number 25, shot clock 15 seconds. Jersey number 2. Okay. Bakatan. Shot clock 15 seconds. Shot clock 10. Okay.
Nagkontra man yung Kurokon say.
Out of bounds.
Soko coach, soko coach sila coach, soko ah. Sam, dami sila. Grabe yung ano.
Shot clock 15 seconds. Defensive rebound, shot clock 14. Jersey number 25, left jumper is good. Shot clock 15. Traveling violation.
Hoy,
Running score DC City 23. For 2 points. Bakaman, shot clock 14 seconds. The Flores has passed inside, but turns the whistle. Foul on jersey number 2. First personal foul, first team foul.
bra.
Second quarter is good.
Ba. Apa po man, wala man gamay.
Running score 19-25.
Kaya di na mapil ka ng kuha na.
Out of bounds.
Lingnan na ba daan, lingnan na ba si daan ang tidyo katabang ano. Balag mapriso ka.
Bumakakan. Three. Shot clock 15 seconds. Pass into the corner. Okay. Jumbo. Two points. Okay. There's a foul on jersey number 26. First personal foul.
Maktas.
Second team foul.
Number 5.
Traveling violation. 5 minutes and 38 seconds remaining time. Running score 19 against 30 in favor of Casa Mirasao. The shot clock 15 seconds. There's a foul. Foul on jersey number 8, Flores. First personal foul. First team foul. First throw is good. Second throw is good by Soriano. Second. Last throw is good by Soriano. 22.
Tangar.
Club jumper, no good. Rebound on jersey number 5. Topino. To Makatan. Out of bounds. 4 minutes and 58 seconds remaining.
Nakuyaran sila.
Soriano.
Nakuyaran.
There's a foul
Nakuyaran. Dua mo na rin.
on jersey number 11. Makatan. First personal foul. Second team foul. Casa Mirasao. Running score 22 against 30 in favor of Casamira South. Castro is good. Pino. There's a foul. Foul on jersey number 36. 26.
Tara. Hoy, bali mo to namin sa Nina eh. Bali mo sa Nina.
Second personal foul on jersey number 26. 13 foul, rise down.
Dili, snacks. Ikaw, kawan ka? Oh.
All good. 4 minutes and 35 seconds remaining. Singeras. 3.
Oh, maglain man. Wala. Oh, tara pwede no.
All good. There's a rebound by jersey number 5. Topino, love jumper, no good. Singeras. Almost deal, shot clock 15 seconds. Shot clock 12 seconds.
Sir, kami rin nakaurot yung snacks, sir.
3 minutes and 57 seconds. 12 seconds to shoot.
Grabe.
Traveling violation. Timeout, Casamira South.
Nasarding ko. Pas-pasi pa, lakaw po, makita ka po.
The shot clock 15 seconds. Emphasis to Flores, love jumper, no good. Out of bounds. There's number 25. Shot clock 14 seconds. The jersey number 26 inside, 2 points. There's a foul on jersey number 8, Flores. Second personal foul, third team foul.
Ikay ko ano?
The shot clock 12 seconds.
Ready, blow.
Shot clock 13 seconds. Offensive foul on jersey number 9. 2 minutes and 41 seconds. First personal foul on jersey number 09. Warning for penalty. No good. Shot clock 14 seconds. Shot clock 8 seconds.
Mana, council?
Gloves jumper is good. By emphasis. Sa bando rin. Sorry. That's the rebound. 2 points. 2 minutes remaining time. Running score 30-32. Shot clock 14 seconds.
Tayo mana.
Foul on jersey number 09.
Tara, mga reka ba? Bali man sa nila tara.
Second personal foul, penalty situation. Penalty, sorry. 1 minute and 48 seconds remaining.
Ang init na, medyo ka na dyan pa, perimeter.
Second throw is good. 1 minute and 43 seconds.
Mayar labaw, tulo.
Shot clock 15. Jersey number 25, left jumper, no good. Rebound in jersey number 12. Out of bounds.
Asa to eh, imo sa taban. Ay sige Jun. Dito, taon di ka ron. Taho na mo ron.
1 minute and 10 seconds. Too strong. Flores to Bakatan. 2 points versus 11. Seconds to play. 50 segundos. Shot clock 14. Shot clock 10. Okay, fancy rebound. 40 segundos, 2 points on jersey 26. 30 segundos. No basket, foul on jersey number 09. Third personal foul, penalty situation. 29 segundos. Second throw is good. Seconds, shot clock 14 seconds. Oh, good. 15 segundos. Jeez. Maybe segundos, maybe.
Tama, kaya na.
9 seconds. 5. Third quarter. Campos. A shot clock 15 seconds. Campos inside. Basket counted in a foul. Basket count. Foul on jersey number 22.
Basi na kuan mo.
First personal foul. First team foul.
Paler! Pa. Sa may na may piri.
Jumbo.
Are bola.
Same ball possession. Running score 34-37. Shot clock 14 seconds. Shot clock 10. Shot clock 5. Long 2.
Legado.
Collegado.
Halegado.
Bangkatan. Jersey number 11.
Lamig pasawa. Drive no. Player bitaw na nila sapba. Sapba.
Campos.
Kyle
Shot clock
Rosano.
14 seconds.
Sila Kyle Rosano bitaw. Sa langkad,
Shot clock
langkad.
10. Tablag-Sosa.
Duwa ka man to Kyle sa kuan.
Shot clock 5 seconds.
Si Kyle, duwa ka man to lang tada to. Gaya ligado eh.
Collegado. To Bangkatan in the corner. Shot clock 15 seconds. To Ramos. To shot clock 11.
Pas pasig mata ba? Tanaw na pasa largo.
Shot clock 11 seconds.
Talisay ba abot dire.
Shot clock 10. Shot clock 5. Oh, good. Rebound by Blanchosa. To Campos. Collegado. To Serdimco. There's a foul. Foul on jersey number 12.
Lakers.
Arcico, first personal foul, first team foul.
Wala, lo, Luis Colo. Wala, mati buwang.
First winner is good.
Buwang na dito anak.
Running score 34-42.
Ay.
Shot clock 14 seconds. Campos, glove jumper, no good. Collegado. To Bangkatan. 3 points, jersey number 11. Foul on jersey number, offensive foul on jersey number 4. out, Rise Gang. Narciso.
Mana, kaon
Shot
say?
clock 15 seconds to Valenciosa.
Ay, kuha na lang
At
ko say.
Narciso.
Wala ko gikuan kay.
Okay.
Ay, mong kano pagkaon.
Traveling violation.
Walang nakugihat kay duwa bugat titiyan.
Ah,
Ayaw.
ayaw ko no, imo nang pagkaon. Kamu kaon ka biscuit?
Colicado. Mama's club jumper is good. Shot clock 15 seconds. Narciso.
Oh, grabe yo ato eh.
Okay, defensive rebound. 2 points to Narciso.
Nasigo eh.
5 minutes remaining time.
Third pa eh.
Shot clock 14 seconds.
Third.
Okay.
Shot clock 10.
Michael Jordan. Okay. Nalabubo. Patay na. Carlo Campos. Miloso. Nihangtan. No good. Pero na-assist yung Tampipi. Out of bounds.
Nga. Kilang eh. Wamot. Schroeder di mamuting schroeder ko.
Okay, shout out sa mga nananaw karon no, full pack ta. Sold out yun ang ticket. 24,000 ang ato ang attendance karon no.
4 minutes and 30 seconds remaining.
Ang score 46-36 in favor of Casamira South. Alex Cabaglot, may tangan ang bola. Gihatag ni Baxter for 3. Too strong. Bilbao by Joshua Narciso. Joshua. Kano mo ECG pero di pasa nila Admiral. Too strong. Bilbao by Coligado. Alex Cabaglot. No, di fake. Ipasa ni Baxter. Ipalit ni Alex Cabaglot.
Shot clock 15.
Fake yapon. Baxter.
Shot clock 10.
Kaya pangigulagado ni fake. No, wakaw. No.
Shot clock 5.
Patay na. Chatex for 3. May kasamang foul. Who's foul rep?
Joshua and Narciso.
Foul on jersey number 12.
12. Joshua Narciso.
Second personal foul. Second team foul. Rise Gang.
First free throw. Good. Check, oy, shout out din na sa akong mga pagumangkin diha. Nanaw. Shout out ha. Full support lagi mo ron. Ha? Pre, full support pre. Nanaw pre. Second free throw, 2 out of 2 by Chadex Ramos. Carlo Campos, may nagkabula. Campos to Joshua Narciso. Ibalik ni Campos. Campos ni
Shot
Dance.
clock 15.
No, napasa iyo. Wag kapanting ipasahan si Sujo. Pero nakuha ni Cloud Shooter. To Joshua Narciso. Ipasa ni Admiral. Admiral. Short. Pero na si Joshua Park. Dislocate. Foul. Arena. Who's foul, right? Jersey number 43.
34.
Nelson Dapol. Stinko. Oy, shout out dito sa ato ang team owner sa Visayas Cup and Gold, no? Si Boss Dalton. Daghan kay ang mga nagasyahan sa mga jersey. Usa na ko na. Salamat kay boss. Salamat kay. Coligado. Lugi po sa litim ko pero nakuyawan. Pero nakuha ni Joshua Narciso. Joshua Narciso, come fly with me. Grabe, oy.
3 minutes remaining time.
Fearlessly up eh. Grabe. Baxter. Gihatag ni MJ lumapas. Baxter. Gipustuhan. Pero gihatag ni Coligado.
Shot clock 15.
Coligado. To Baxter for 3. Bang! Nothing but net. Manchester
Running
United.
for the name of the game, jersey number 34. Shout out ko sa mga minimidget eh ha.
Yo, shout out yo. Asa to? The Black Label Man. Wearing yellow jersey.
Number 77.
Shout out mo diha. Carlo Campos with three. Short. Iba ba MJ lumapas. Pero na si Puligado. Puligado. Alex Abagno. 53 full. 50 Kabagno. Gihatag ni Dimko pero United si Panit. Sertang Pepe. Duha ka buhok mga admiral pero nakuha ni Celtics. Ayay. Sumapit. Muspal rep. Biar masuga na namanagan eh.
Foul on jersey number
Jersey number? Suta pipi na.
Oh, Tampepe. Tampepe. 6.
First personal foul, 13 foul.
Announcing the arrival. Score.
Running score 38-52.
30-52. Announcing the arrival of the skater boy, Heroin.
Manansala.
Manager
Shot
sa
clock 14 seconds.
Manansala.
Alex Cabagnot, it's a Chris. In and out.
2 minutes and 8 seconds remaining time.
Uy, anak pa ni Boss Magtals eh. Atay na MJ lumapas. To Baxter, kaya tayo lumapas balik. Ipantayin ni Sergio, kauban sa sakma. Pero nasi po ko ay yun nakitaan sa airport security. Traveling without passport.
Dua to sa sangat mo sa sakba no.
Okay, nangabot na ito mga junior player. Kunyara kay mga senior pa na nuwa. Cloud shooter to Joshua Nasico.
Shot clock 15.
Joshua Agay, may nakitang foul. Muspal rep.
No basket foul on jersey number 34.
34.
Second personal foul.
Double.
Warning for penalty.
Uy, tagay na cloud shooter. Ay, pachabis pa.
Shot clock 14. 1 minute and 40 seconds remaining
To
time.
Joshua, ihatag ni cloud shooter. Pagkita sa nila Admiral. Pero ni Figra, dara ay. For three. Too strong. Cloud shooter, rebound. Ihatag na po ni Admiral. Ay, The Admiral. Sergio. Okay. Alex Cabagnot, may tanang bola. Ipwesto si Bostilco. Gabihan na now. Isikal na iba. Okay. Muspal rep. Gabi, Joshua.
Foul on jersey number 12.
Jersey number 12.
Arcico.
Anarcico.
Third personal
Third personal
foul.
foul.
Warning for penalty.
Warning for penalty. Cabagnot. To lumapas, what a easy layup. Kinaliwa. Kusugadagan Paulo.
Siyempre, kaliwa siya eh.
Sa'yo ka na ulit. No, just one, ilusot. Gabi yan, tulong ka po, kiyagian ay. Gabi yan, tulong ka pa, kiyagian.
Kinain.
Seconds to play.
Gabi yan na ito eh. Okay, Alex Cabagnot. Kita na kagyan po niya yung mga kauban. Isinyali sa ilang play.
Pintas Dundos.
Bang! 3 points by Alex Cabagnot. Gabi yan ito eh. Nananaw, manggod.
40 segundos.
Carlo, ihatag ni Sergio.
Shot clock 14 seconds.
Sergio, ihatag ni Joshua.
30.
Joshua, piit sa 3. Short, pero... Okay, bola. Simple. Marang paghatsing sa referee, ni Tingog. Paghatsing sa referee, ni Tingog ang dito.
Dala, nilaka.
23 segundos. Shot clock 14 seconds.
Uy.
Baan, yung tuloy.
Okay, Joshua na po. Joshua ni shooter.
10. Shot clock 10.
Joshua.
15. Shot clock 5 seconds.
What a nice
13 segundos. 13.
Ano?
Okay. Alex Cabagnot. Mga Boston yan.
G segundos.
Tapos. Obrigado. Ihatag ni Baxter. Ni Faye. No, for 3. Bang! Oy, it's fourth quarter. Game time. Last quarter. Look, grabe yan. Isuna si Mactalso. Grabe yan. Napagi si Masulman. Patay. Carlo, gihata kay Yay. Too strong. Tupas. Fourth quarter. Shout out ita. Na si Skater Boy. Team owner sa Boss Lucas team. Okay, hi. Masulman, gihata kay Mactals to Rick Slaughter. Sus, mga PBA naman
Shot
ito.
clock 15 seconds.
Mactals, what a shot! Nabiya. Daray! Patay! No! No, sayang ay! Reels na to 1 year nun. Iya, sa nagbiya, nagkuha to eh. Sayang. Masulman, may tangan ng bola. Ihatag ni Mr. Perimeter Dennis Padilla. Padilla. Dennis Dominis.
Foul on jersey 15.
Jersey number 50.
First personal foul, first team foul.
Okay, Alex Malyari, di fake, di balik sa aki. Dennis Amenes, what an easy J by the Dennis Amenes. Steal by the Muscle Man. Muscle Man, kalmado ra nag-dribble, wa nagdali. Ihatag ni Mactals.
Shot clock 14
To Rick
seconds.
Slaughter, to Alex Malyari. Pero nagiharas ni Campos, no, grabiho. Oh, grabiho, no. Ang bukog.
Buko kayo ah, buko kayo ah.
Foul on jersey number 12.
Jersey number 12.
First personal foul, second team foul.
Masulman to Alex Malyari. Aray ko. Okay, may foul. May shout out ito. The baby
Foul on jersey
dynamite.
18. Second personal foul, third team foul.
Nabot na ang baby dynamite. BBD. Vince Alquilus. Patay no.
Traveling violation.
Traveling violation by the gentle giant Greg Slaughter ng Casanera.
Q1 siya eh. Duko na lang gud.
Okay, Joshua. Okay ni Ma'am Bibi na. Vince, akong kinugos, it's a Tris. Too strong, rebound by the perimeter. Pero giharas na si Mr. Masulman. To Alex Malyari. Tarap, hindi kay Greg. Alex Malyari to Greg Slaughter. Nilusot. Rebound by perimeter. Ah, grabiyo. Oh, grabiyo. Muraga.
Foul on jersey number 7.
Muraga. Kuan eh, patintiro mo. Grabe eh. Ano yung mga kudirsa player? Okay. Vince, the French for three. Too strong again. Rebound by Dennis Amenes.
7 minutes remaining time.
Mactals, ECJ. Ayay. Rebound by... Okay. Okay ra ka dia. Boss Pino. Okay ra. Okay, napatay ni Gas Volleyball. Okay, perimeter na po. Nothing but net. Grabe ang puso dagang after
Sayop.
kami.
Ay sayop. Time out yan sila, time out.
Time out yan, time out. Hindi ka patay
Rescan.
bola. Joshua. Tukos Boris. Short. Rebound by Alex Malyari. Pero na si Masulman. Hinahinay. Gipasa ni Dennis Camiles. Tulo. May kasamang foul.
Offensive foul.
Offensive foul by Boss Mactals.
Tama na nila. Kaya na nila.
Ayos sa luko.
Lokadungkit.
Okay, tatay. Ha? Look! Kuha, lalo mo. Pinanggal, ito na, dako ka lang. Masulman? Masulman? Una, ito lagi na lagi. Una, hanggang mag-video din. Ito lagi na lagi.
Shot clock 15 seconds.
Dihatag ni Boss Mactals. Dihatag ni Triple Man. Di-bounce pass ni Mactals. Shoot! No! Pero naang agay. Nakitaan sa airport security.
May na, buha sa'yo ba sa'yo? Sara kamot sa'yo.
No, okay na. Tatay, may tangan ng bola. Ihatag ni Joshua. Joshua for three! Short! Rebound by Sinigas. Gabiyaw eh. Kaya nilugay yung duha eh. Uspal rep.
Foul on jersey 0.
0.
Second personal foul.
Rice gang, rice.
Lah, daray. Joke lang. Hawakan ni Bang. Okay. First free throw by Pipoy.
Bisa ko ka-video kay
Second
Paon
video.
pa may. Ayun, mga ano niya.
Ayun, so.
Hindi ko na mo pa kanon. Luyo na ko eh.
1 out of 2. Gabio, MG
5 minutes and 40 seconds remaining.
Gabia, daray. Perimeter. Too strong. Rebound by Tatay Kanite. Pero nakuha ni Joshua. Patay. Traveling violation.
Substitution.
Substitution, sud na ang sud.
Nasa kolegado.
Okay.
Okay, pwede ko na madalas sa mga soy. Dal.
Ganun na mo pagkaon na gano'n.
Di ba, naningid lang ko ni mo ba?
Shot clock 15 seconds.
Ni Gripol, ni pasa ni Bito.
Shot clock 10.
Uy, ano ka boy?
Takil po.
Abagukod. Joshua Lugro. Agrabiya at oy. Watamong. Pa Joshua Inarsico. Yagi ang tanan mga kuwan ni babak. Agrabiya.
5 minutes remaining time.
Ingatong na kumog sa una. 40 years ago.
Shot clock 14.
Gihatag ni Rex Lotter. Gibantayan ni Joshua. Agrabiya Joshua. Kapten na. Ay,
Shot
kabagnot.
down to 5.
Kabagnot. Gipasa na po ni Rex Lotter. What a shot by Rex Lotter. Joshua na po. Count, fly with me. Tatay Kanyete to Vince the Prince for 3. Bang! 3 points by Vince Soriano.
4 minutes lang.
4 minutes and 25 seconds.
Relax. Look, pasayaw-sayawan.
Shot clock 15.
Okay, nabalik sa aki si pare. Gihatag ni Triple Man Akay! Sayang nga Triple Man. Tara, Joshua. Ayan. Bench for 3. Short! Time remaining.
4 minutes and 2 seconds. Substitution.
Sa Mitch Andrew, a.k.a. Totoy Gono. Akin ang lupang inalupan.
Aking lupang ito.
4 minutes remaining time.
Alex Cabagnot, may tanga ng bola. Ihatag ni Boss Vito for 3! Sure! Pero rebound. Pero nakuha niya po ni Mitch Andrew. Sakto kayo ang pagsahap. Nilusot. Ayun, balik lagi. Patay Joshua. May foul na. May foul na.
May Paula. Unsay may Paula?
Jersey number 16.
Now on jersey 16.
Illegal use of the
Hands.
sub. Okay.
Di ba?
No.
Jersey 16. First personal foul. Warning for penalty.
Alas 8 pa official.
3 minutes and 43 seconds remaining in the last
Mitch
quarter.
Andrew to Page the Prince for 3. Too short. Right. Alex Cabagnot, may tanga ng bola.
Shot clock 15.
Gihatag ni Derek Pusey for 3. Wakas shot. Patay na ka, fly with me. Agay. Patay, Alex Cabagnot. Tapos dito, mulaos. Look, gihatag ni the bull. Look, what a fight. Pero too strong. Offensive rebound. Pero block, ibalik sa akin. Pinasi umay. Nabia umay. Out na mo out. Okay, si tatay. Oy, technical ka. Nakalimutan.
3 minutes remaining time.
Face for 3!
Happy ka technical o. Technical. Ano nga?
Meron di abutan the official announcer. The another gentle giant.
Shot clock 14 seconds.
Ay na.
Sab.
Ripa may pansin ko. Agay.
Substitution.
Nadagdag kay pagkaon, di na kamalikramo na.
Mao.
2 minutes and 38 seconds remaining. The points are to 34.
Casamira, South.
Patay na po.
Soriano. No good. Rebound by Tampibi. Double team.
Pwede.
Oy, kapatay.
Kapatay. Dahil masob niya,
Get a loose
kapatay.
ball. Fiddle with a steal.
Sab.
Substitution.
Sab, lakrod. Ang gaya tagisapan ka tay. Patay na.
Palang from downtown. In and out. Rebound by Boss Timko. Pass to Caligaro.
Last 2 minutes.
Last 2 minutes. Caligaro. Guarded by Inarcico. Pass to Beto.
Shot clock 10 seconds.
Top 10. Nice pass.
Shot
Ramos.
clock 5.
Shot clock 5. Caligaro for 3. No good. Rebound by
Na triple man. Patay, dislocate tanan.
Shot clock 10.
Lampado. Boss Beto to Timko.
Shot clock 5.
Balik sa agi.
Beto too strong. Shot clock violation.
Malasa nang ko. Malasa.
1 minute and 30 seconds.
Last na mga bill man.
Lay mo lupig ka ng team, ma?
Awa mo ti mga all-star, mga bulabog mo.
Team Bulabog.
Likon gina, wala pinagalikon.
Inarcico drives.
No, grabe
Inarcico.
Wala dyan na videoan.
Grabe to eh.
Kaya katanga, si Suisoy.
Banga apod mo now eh. Dapat na may ano. What a move. Ano ba? Ano? Ay, kabaw ko, apa ka
Caligaro.
Mao.
Shot clock 14 seconds.
Patay.
Pastorado.
Shot clock 10.
Oh no, miscommunication.
1 minute and 9 seconds.
Hindi ba yung speaker ron? Maore?
Daray, tubang na gana.
Hindi pala. Inarcico again.
Counter.
Basket count. Inside forward.
So kadagan ba?
Bako? Oh, dyan.
Foul number
Pati
4.
sir sa yung team.
Second personal foul. Penalty situation.
Ball
Sorry,
free throw
nasi,
is
soy.
good.
Layo ra kayo mo.
Last 1 minute.
Oo.
Yak mo kay murag third game man mo.
Third game, eh.
Soda. Ay pala.
54 segundos.
54.
Pre, pasab na diawin no siya naman. Yeah.
Shot clock 15.
To Dimko. To Ramos.
50. Shot clock 10.
To Dimko. Dimko full of trade. Dimko too strong. There's a foul.
Foul. Warning jersey number 12 for a second motion.
Penalty.
Penalty situation. Cuarenta y tres segundos.
From Pipi. There's a foul.
Sige,
Foul number
foul.
22. Ramos.
Gaya ni
Second
Omar
personal
naman.
foul.
Gamay naman sa'yo. Loyal niya sa'yo.
Gamay ra kiti. Murag kun zero mi
40 seconds remaining.
Wait, di man maduwa ako itson sa'yo. Ah,
Di siya mo duwa? Eh, karon. Ano man?
duwa may lahat to Merce Cup.
Wa di siya mo duwa. Di siya mo duwa karon.
Duwa nila Merce Cup.
Di mo siya mo siya.
Chat ni GC.
Yan ang siya marin.
Yo kaya rin.
35 segundos.
Mabay la duwa.
Wari to ingon siya. Chat. Third quarter pa ni.
30. Shot clock 14.
Bawa ka na ba si Tire sinasabi.
Shot clock 10.
Labrado for
20. Shot clock 5.
No good.
Boss Vito Tocoligado, 15.
Anay. Manay, surrender na nila.
That's the end of the ball game. Congratulations, Casamira South. 54-70.
Kisa best player.
Best player of the game. Best player of the game, Vincio Morales.
With 16 points.
With no points.
16.
16 points.